To make this rainbow balloon flower, we'll be needing 6 balloons. I have here normal balloons in 6 different colors. I have red balloon, orange, pink, yellow, purple and blue. And to inflate them, I'll be using a balloon pump. First I'll take the pink balloon and I'll inflate this one. After inflating the pink balloon, we will not make a knot here. We will not tie the balloon, we'll just hold it and we'll put it around our fingers. We'll take our 4 fingers and we'll do like this so that less air escapes from this. Now we'll take the red balloon, we'll put it on the balloon pump and we will inflate the red balloon. Once you have inflated the red balloon to the same size as the pink one, then tie these 2 balloons together. We'll take the 2 joints here and we will make a knot. After having done so, we'll put this aside. Now we will inflate our purple balloon. After the purple balloon is about the same size as the pink and the red balloon, again we will not tie and make a knot here. We'll put it around our fingers like this so that less air escapes from it. And now we will take our orange balloon and we'll inflate this orange balloon and tie these 2 together. We will put this aside and now we will inflate the blue balloon. After we have inflated this blue balloon to about the same size as all the others, we will take this blue balloon and we will take one of this double balloon. We'll pull this here and we will tie this on these 2 balloons. Now we have a triple balloon and we have a double balloon here. We will take this double balloon that we have and we will push it inside like this and we will twist with the balloons to secure all the balloons together. Once we have done that, we'll take our yellow balloon. This is the 6th balloon that we have. The yellow color, and we'll inflate this balloon, but we will not inflate this completely and we will not inflate this at the size that we have here. We'll inflate this less. This will be a very small balloon. This size is enough. We'll pull this here and we will tie it in the middle. And now we will push back all the balloons that we had like this. Now, because there are more than 1 balloons, all will lift up and stand up in different directions. And to set these, we will be using double-sided tape. We will take a small piece of double-sided tape of 2 centimeters. We will place the blue and the purple balloon together and we will look for the place where the 2 balloons touch each other. So as you can see, the 2 balloons touch each other here. I'll place my double-sided tape there and paste my purple balloon on it. We will take another piece of double-sided tape and we will put this here. We'll see where the pink and the purple balloon touch each other. Exactly the same way. You can see it touches each other here, so I'll put the double-sided tape here, remove the cover, press the balloons down and press them together like this. Now we will see where the red and the pink balloon touch each other. Put a piece of double-sided tape there. Press these 2 balloons down and put them together and paste them. You'll see where the orange and the red balloon touch each other. We will paste tape there and paste these 2 balloons together. And lastly, we'll push these down and we'll see where the blue balloon touches the orange, and we'll put double-sided tape there. After removing the cover, we'll push the balloons together like this, and here you have our rainbow flower. To make this flower exactly like this, make sure that you put the balloons in the same order. Let me know how you did like this DIY. If you did like this DIY, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please don't leave my channel without subscribing, and do check all my other videos, and I'm sure you'll find awesome party decoration ideas to make your occasion special. More awesome party decorations are coming soon. Make sure that you don't miss them, so click on the red subscribe button right now so you don't lose my channel and stay updated on all my future uploads.